Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how easy you can pair your Sennheiser Sport True Wireless earbuds with Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to simply remember to charge your device at least to the 50%, the charging case and the earbuds inside. Right here you can find input for the USB-C cable. The next step is very simple. When everything is fine, when the device is charged, we have to open this charging case and then we have to take off both earbuds from the charging case. We have to take a look right here on the front of our earbuds, because here we have the indicators. In the most cases they will start blinking red and blue quickly, so it means that our device will be in the pairing mode. As you can see in my case, this function is actually not working, so I have to enter the pairing mode manually. And how to do this? That's very simple. We have to click and hold on the both earbuds in this place until this indicator turns on. So let's do this right now. Take a look for the indicator. As you can see, the indicator is blinking right now. So next we have to put them right here close to our phone, and we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone, then click to pair new device. Now wait for your Sport True Wireless earbuds. Wait until they pop on the list. If they are still not here, you can simply reset the Bluetooth settings. So we can just go back, or as you can see in my case, I just didn't unpair them previously. So right now when I open the pair new device list, they will actually pop on the list. Okay, looks like it's not working. So let's reset the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So let's turn it off, turn it on, and go to pair new device. Indicators are still blinking, so it means that the device is in the pairing mode. I just picked my private phone and they are also not available right here. So I guess it's time to put them back to the case, and let's try to fix this problem. That's very good that something like that happened on this tutorial video, because in the most cases you are watching like videos where everything goes fine step by step, but right here we have to fix something. So yeah, let's restart the Bluetooth settings one more time. Let's remove both earbuds from the case. Take a look for the indicators. Okay, they are blinking right now automatically. So let's go for pair new device. As you can see right now, we have them. So click on them once. I can find them right here and also on my private phone, as you can see. So everything is fine right now. Click on the pair. And after a few moments we will be successfully connected, as you can see. And there is also a second option. We have to download, I mean, we don't have to, but I can actually recommend you to download this Sennheiser application, where we can unlock a lot of features of these earbuds. So go for the Play Store and install this application. Okay, and as you can see right now, we can simply open this application. So click right here, accept this stuff, click continue, then we can skip by tapping the right upper corner, and we have to click OK to accept Bluetooth permission. Click continue to get notification about the latest update. We have to select headphones and in-ears. Right now our application is looking for nearby devices, and let's see if we can find them. As you can see, when we previously connect them by the Bluetooth settings and tap on them, in the most cases they will be connected but looks like we have to boot the pairing mode another time, or no. As you can see, everything is fine and it's working, and right now we can find here a lot of other options like equalizer, touch controls, side stone. We can go to the settings where we can adjust auto power off, we can switch codec, we can perform the hard reset. So as you can see, that's it. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.